All right, people. Durango Casino. It's May. Got wifey to the right, and we got quick hits in front of us. Wifey, do the honors. These firecrackers were full and dancing around, and we wanted to pop them. They get this every time. It's a great gimmick. They know what they're doing. Oh, come on. Okay. Everyone loves quick hits, and we are also a big fan of quick hits. We'd like to get a quick hit right now of big infusion of money. That would be nice. Oh. One more would have gave you whatever, I think 5, yeah. Oh, you won $6 still. So we're betting 150 on 2-cent denomination. Yes, yes. Not yes. Oh, yes now. A triple. Oh, we had a chance for a triple. Just getting a chance for a triple sometimes is nice. Let the endorphins of optimism and hope bounce around in your head. Oh wow, nice. Okay. Oh, 7. Oh, wild. Oh, it's 5 of a kind. Nice. Yeah, at least one 5 of a kind. There you go. Yeah, 2 cents is good. I feel like 2 cents is my lucky denomination. I don't know about y'all. The $3 is the next bet. Do. So you have to get 5 quick hits to get 5, 6 to get there, whatever. But I think if you get a few in a row, it gives it to you. Yeah. So I'm not exactly sure. Like with the quick hits with a value, you get those. With the quick hits by themselves, they count towards the, up there. Oh wow, triple, fast spin. Oh. That would have been a nice time. Yes, yes. Okay. Oh, that would have been good. This would be good. Not yet. Okay. Yeah, maybe 1 cent. Oh. Until 1 cent second. Oh. There you go. And at least 3 of them to collect the value is $9. I mean, there's signs. Oh, if only those silly cherries weren't there. And there's signs over here. Let's give it another 10 spins or so. Nice. Okay. Let's get
5 of those?
Yeah. Let's just get 12. Oh, to get it? Oh, close. We'd love to get a triple pop on this game. We've been trying to get triple pops all day. Can we do it here? I think we can. With wifey's button pushing abilities and my recording abilities. Look at her push that play button. And my recording abilities, I think we are. As I was saying that the camera wasn't focused. Okay. Should we try 1 cent? 1 cent. And okay, maybe 150. Same bet. Smaller denom to change it up a little bit. Oh, one more would have been good. Do it. Do it. Oh, that was a $10 one. Nice. Okay. Wild, nothing. $8 one. Okay. It's nice to see them if they connected with other ones. That's all we need. Oh, triple. Okay. They're all sparkling. Now you're sucked in. What a engineering marvel these are for the slot manufacturers. They just get us sucked in so hard. Look at this. You get that one? No. Okay. Did you do it, wifey? Not yet. Oh, one more would have been, I think it takes 3 of those. Okay. Oh, come on, one more. Oh, that would have been nice.
It's all like the dollar ones are a tease.
They're very big teas. The 2-cent ones. Well, that was where the fun was. You want to go to 2 cents? Yeah.
They're the same price, right?
Same bet with 2 cents now. Just change it a little bit. Okay. Oops. Okay. First spin, success. Success. Now second spin, not as successful, but it's a journey, right? Sometimes it's first spin, sometimes it's 10th spin, sometimes it's no amount of spins. Could do something, but we're trying our best here. Oh, a lot of 7s. Yeah, when you get a first spin bonus, maybe it's time to hit and run, you know? It's the ones that you get the bonus, like, oh, okay, come on. Wait, where did all the quick hits go? No? Not now. Alright, I was looking at the left, someone just kicked the cabinet, and I was wondering what that was. So many blues. 2, 1 $3 one to change their lives. Okay, come on, pop now would be great. Oh yes. It looks like it would, and it looks like it should. Quick hits, quick hits. This is very slow punches. Finally, something, yay. I would like to, if these popped, it looked like they were gonna pop, but no. I mean, we get these values and then the $5 because we got at least 5 of them. If we got one more, it would have been 15. I mean, they could have gave us a few more here, but yeah. Maybe the little dance that those these dollar signs did, maybe it'll loosen them up a little bit. I think so, right? Oh, come on, one more. Oh. Okay, wifey, button pushing. Nope. Firecrackers have not been popped. I know it's on the 4th of July yet, but oh. Yes. 4th of July? No. The 5th of May is actually what it is. 5 more. We'll just see a full screen of those. That would be insanity. That'd be over $10,000. It is not. Okay. We're hanging tough, people. We're hanging tough. And no. Change it to 1 cent? Yeah, why not? Little baby ones? Okay. Wifey, quick spinning. Is it gonna pop? You know it's not gonna pop when it goes to the next spin and they're still flying up, right? So it takes kind of the fun away of anticipation each spin. Yes. No. Oh yes, you did get all 3 finally on the little baby bet. Wow, wifey did it. I know. Oh my goodness, triple. We haven't gotten a triple before. Little baby ones, but let's see if we can win back the money. Yes. Yes, you push that one. Let's see. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, more. Okay. We want to see a lot of quick hits fall. Come on. Extra spins. More, please. Okay, nothing so far. Let's see a lot more, please. More quick hits. More quick hits. Okay. The triple was nice, but we want to see. Come on, give us something here. How are none of these quick hits hitting? They're so small too, like you could do it. Okay, 2 extra spins finally, okay. So that's what the extra spin ones do. And this is what the firecracker, more, come on. None of the quick hits have given us anything yet. It's 1 cent, smaller bets. I mean, if you're playing for fun and you want to play for a long time, 1 cent can give you a lot of spins, but you're not gonna get really great bonuses, I think. You can get $1,000, of course, 1 in a million, but come on, more quick hits. There's just none. We did get a triple. That's awesome. Now let's get some extra spins. It can't be over yet, right? Last spin, but is it? Yes, 2 extra spins. I didn't think it was gonna be it, but let's make something happen. Triple pop. Finally, it's only $2. Like, yeah. Okay, let's get some last spins right here, and then let's get 12 quick hits up there. It's 250. It was like 10,000 last time. More spins, more spins. Okay, well, we got a triple pop. That was the goal, was to get a triple pop, you know. We reached our goal. What is it? The operation was a success, but the patient died. That's an absolute epitome of that. Operation was a success, but patient died. We had 100, now we have $25.
That's all I'm giving him.
That's all you're giving him. I'll give him 1 more.
Okay.
See? Oh my god! Well, wifey said that's all I'm gonna give, and she was getting ready to get up. I said I'll give him 1 more, and I had it. I got a double pop. Okay, let's see if the double pop is better now. That's so funny. Okay. So now, Mr. Machine, we need a little bit. Now maybe that's not a triple pop. Well, it did feel bad. I felt bad. Let's see. Can it be more than a $10 bonus? Okay, maybe not. It's just funny to get another bonus, but we're gonna need some help here. Firecrackers. Let's get more quick hits. Why is it so hard to get quick hits? Past 5. I mean, the smaller bets you're gonna get less, you know, whatever. But more quick hits. Yes, more. Oh, some with some money values would have been nice. Okay. 2 more would have been 30. You know, whatever. Let's get more. Come on, more. Quick hits. More. Okay, that's something. With another bit of money in him too. Okay. Let's get more. Quick hits. Yeah, there we go. 30. There we go. You're welcome, wifey. My magic button pushing. She's laughing. Okay, let's get another one. Drop 50. Just 1. Yeah, that diamond was, I don't know what the diamond was, but that was good. This one was much better. There we go. Okay, 2 bonuses. Got most of our money back.
You have to do that.
Okay, now we do how many? Let's do 11 or 10 or something? Yeah. We can still get quick hits in it. Okay. Back to back to back. Okay.
That'll be crazy.
That would be insane. Maybe the machine's waking up. Oh, okay. This is 3. And we can get some line hits. Number 5. 7. Lucky number 8. I'm gonna do it. Okay. 9. Oh, it's 1 more. Give us 1 line hit. Yes. Okay, so that was hilarious. We wanted to get a triple pop. It was a very unsatisfying triple pop. Then wifey was getting ready to leave. I pushed the button 1 more time and we won like 60-something dollars. We were down to like $2 or $3 at one point. So recouping most of our money is fun. And we got to show what persistence can do. It can pay off sometimes, people. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Triple pops for the win.